How to get your Doordash account reactivated. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. If you are not able to get your Doordash account reactivated, the first step is head over to Play Store or App Store, and on the search box, you want to search for Doordash. Here, if you find the update button, tap on it and update your application to the latest version. After the app has been updated, open the app and try to log in a few times. If you're still not able to get your account reactivated, open up any web browser you want. Then on the search box, search for Doordash support. Now you want to tap on Doordash support, which is help.doordash.com. Now on this page, you can choose the type of support you want, which is customer support or Dasher support or merchant support. Now over here, you want to tap on Chat with us in Doordash app. Then it's going to open up in the application itself. Here you simply want to select any of the topics, and then you're going to be connected with one of the human teammates of Doordash support. After you have been connected with an agent, you can simply explain your issue that you're not able to get your Doordash account reactivated, and then they're going to help you resolve this problem. And that's it for this video. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.